Hey, what's up, everyone? Yeah, I'm just sitting here contemplating, thinking. It's 3 a.m. I drive at night. I just wanted to share a few things, kind of give you an update on how I am and what's been going on. And I've been working a lot, of course. I've been very busy with my schedule. It's been very hard to focus on study and all that stuff with this CompTIA A+. But I've been studying. I take a practice exam. I've failed that. I'm still studying, but a lot of this information and the A+ studies, I've tried my best to really study it and absorb this information, but it's hard, especially when I'm working 60 plus hours a week. But I'm trying my best, and sometimes I feel like I'm spinning my wheels, but I am making progress. And I'm just I'm trying to make progress on learning and building those skills and everything I need to do to make it and to learn this stuff and to really get it and understand. And so anyway, I'm just sitting here for a little bit, taking a little break, and I'll be getting back on the road here in a little bit. But I've been really studying. I've been grinding. I got some practice tests. I got an app that'll help me study it and retain this information. It's like daily quiz, like 10 questions a day, doing things like that. I'm listening to Jason Dion's Udemy course on A+. I already been through Professor Messer's videos on A+, but still, like, retaining the information is one thing. So I'm trying to retain the information and do my job, kind of have this balance of work, study, take care of myself and everything. So it's a grind, so I gotta really focus. And when my time when I have time off, I could really study, watch it and really, take notes and everything like that. So that's what I'm trying to do. And I don't want to feel like I'm spinning my wheels. I feel like I should be further along. I've been doing this for a while now, and I just expected a lot from myself. But I am working a lot and trying to take care of myself. I don't have a lot of extra time, but I am working towards this goal. But I wanted to just share this and share my struggle with you about what's going on, how I'm doing. what's going on. Grinding, studying, and I'm just always on the go, but I'm not giving up. And a lot of other skills I gotta do is, want to do is the hack the box. There's a bunch of other stuff I'm trying to do with labs, virtual machines. So I'm gonna get to it, learning this stuff, listening to podcasts and stuff, but I think I've listened to enough podcasts and I just really gotta get to it. But yeah, I just wanted to give you all an update how I'm doing. Did the exam, failed it of course, but yeah, I'm still working towards it. And they say, if you get over 70% or 75%, then you're ready to take the test or something like that, or 80%, I can't remember. But yeah, I'm gonna keep working towards it. That's what's going on right now. And hope you all having a good day, good week. Take care of yourself. Pray. Talk to you on the next one. Peace.